is seafood marinara. And then the lasagna roll.
Ladies and gentlemen, to all our Asian passengers, this is a gate change announcement. To all departing passengers on AirAsia flight C2227 bound for Patiklan, Boracay. Once again, AirAsia flight
Be careful when opening the overhead compartment, and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft.
Ako lang ba ito, kuya? Kami lang? Ah, okay.
Ay, may ano po mami, kasunod ko kayo mali sa akin.
Ah, okay na. Maulan ba dito, kuya, ngayon? Weather or...
Dito lang po ma'am. Mali, patak-patak lang.
Ah, ganyan lang. Hindi naman yung malakas.
Hindi naman.
Okay. Pasok na tayo. Sa van na kami, guys. Pinindo na kami ng Astoria, Palawan na transfer. So, may mga ibang tata sa sinayin. So, we just avail the sharing because it's cheaper. 500 pesos per person per way lang siya. So, guys, sa special kasi nasa 3,000 yung kanyang fare. So, excited to see how Astoria, Palawan looks like in actual. Kasi maganda siya sa web, diba? Para kami special pick up dito, kuya, kasi kami lang dalawa.
Wala naman, no? Kaya ano talaga yan pagka guest na Astoria na yung sales office namin.
Ano yan?
Sales
Yung
office po.
Ah, okay. Ng Astoria, Palawan sales office.
May kuha lang po ma'am na ano, padala.
Okay. Inulan na. Ulan na.
Hindi ito tumulan ma'am.
Ha?
Tumulan.
Hindi yan ulan? Ano yan, kuya? Snow? Astoria, Palawan. Hi. Hi, kuya.
Opo.
Patinulan, kuya. No, ang swerte naman namin talaga. Welcome.
Blessing daw po, ma'am.
Welcome. Kasi yung mga ano dito, kuya, pag hindi na ulan, naglalakad lang talaga yun sila.
Yung mga...
Yes. Oo, yung mga guests.
Punta nagpapatindog po, ma'am.
Ay, libre ba itong mga ganito?
Mga nagpapatindog ito.
Ah, itatawag na lang.
Tawag lang.
Pag transfer kasi malalayo, ano?
Malapit lang ba sa beachfront yung
Aron niya po, ma'am.
Oo.
Opo, ma'am. Gets ka na.
133 ko. Isa sa yung susi. Oo. Ay, room 133. Ay, kinuna pa talaga. I'm already here in Astoria, Palawan, and I'm just so happy to see how beautiful our room is. Actually, I'm not expecting na dalawa yung beds for this villa. So, since dalawa kami, di syempre tag-iisa kami. Ang ganda, di ba? Oh, you say hi. Chill, chill. Kalimutan muna ang stress sa work. Ay, bahala muna kayo sa work.
happy birthday?
Malakas ang ulan, guys. And gusto ko sana din actually na mag-try outside para makita din namin kung ano ba yung mga restaurants na malapit dito. Kasi syempre, when you're in a vacation, maganda syempre na we try to explore different restaurants that are of course affordable din naman, di ba? So, let me show you guys. Hindi lang siya masyadong maliwanag na sa labas. Maliwanag pa rin naman. Pero ayan, as you can see, so maulan pa rin siya. And ang ganda sana tumambay dito kung hindi siya maulan. Pero since maulan, so we'd rather stay inside. Hi, ate. Ate, pwede ba kami mag-request ng additional umbrella? Oo, kasi isa lang kasi yung umbrella. So para at least makapag-ikot-ikot kami kahit maulan.
Sige po, sabihan ko.
Thank you.
Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon po. Ay,
Ilan
yan.
po ba kailangan niyo?
Isa lang naman additional kasi dalawa
Kaya na
kami. Oo. Ay, okay lang ba ate?
Oh, sure po. Sabay na lang po ko.
Okay. Maraming salamat po. Yan, bait naman nila. Binigyan na nila sa amin yung additional umbrella. So, meron namin 2 umbrellas. Naantay ko guys yung tawag ng buffet section para at least makita na natin. Actually, nakita na namin yung rate. Pero para lang ma-double check. May mga request lang ako. Slight request.
Yung sister ko. Sige, hold it for a while.
Hello? Yes po. Apo. This is Joanne po. Apo, na-lost po ba kayo sa word? Thank you po. Ay, sir, pag i-request lang kasi maulan ngayon. So, pwedeng mag-request lang ng e-trike papunta dyan, sige. Sige. Later na lang magko-call na lang kami. Okay, thank you po. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Ano yun? Ang ganda niyo, kuya. Pwede ba yung pumunta kami doon? Hindi.
Opo, ma'am. Pwede po. May swimming pool din po ito, ma'am.
Yun yung pinakamalapit na swimming pool dun sa villa natin siya.
Yung mas malapit na swimming pool sa room niyo, ma'am, isa yung nasa restaurant po. Yung Infinity Pool. Sa restaurant po yung kasali lang ng yung room.
Ganda din. Yan tayo kanina, di ba?
Dito tayo bumaba.
Anong building to, kuya? Or ano ba siya? Oo, dito tayo galing. The Nest Astoria. Yan, the Nest Astoria. Guys. Nagpapayong lang ako guys kasi maulan, but as you can see, ayan yung kanyang environment. Nandito tayo sa kanilang restaurant. So, it's where we're going to have our dinner kasi maulan, so we cannot really go outside and explore what else we can see. Pero, ang ganda niya. So, yan ah. Ang ganda pa rin ito sa gabi. Mas maganda ba sa umaga dito, kuya, or sa gabi? Sa umaga. Diyan, marami naliligo dyan, kuya.
Ngayon po, pag morning po, maraming bilis po.
Hmm. Paano yung pagkakain doon? Magre-request?
Para sa romantic dinner po.
Oo. Kahit kami dalawa, mag-romantic dinner kami. Kahit maulan, ano. Ma-experience lang. Cute kasi dun, oh. Oo, di ba? Astoria. Tutur muna natin ang mga, people. Ayan, guys. Ang restaurant. Before tayo pumasok, ay papakita namin muna sa inyo gano'n siya kaganda. Dito sa labas ay kitang-kita na gano'n siya kaganda. And let's just be careful kasi madulas yung tiles. And ayan yung pool, oh, di ba? Ang ganda ng kanyang color combination. The LED light really complements with the pool. Wow! Wow! Show ko lang sa inyo, guys, yung magandang paligid, syempre. Ayan naman, dyan sa section na yan. And then eto, kasi ano na ngayon guys? Ano na bang oras ngayon? It's already 6:30 in the evening. And then, ito yung sa side. Oh, may mga grill. Baka may banda dito mamaya. We'll see. There, beautiful. Beautiful. Naririnig niyo ba parang kuliglig ba yan? Ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda. Small talk siya, oh. Hello. Table for two.
May reservation po ba kayo, ma'am?
Ay, wala.
Sige, dito na lang.
Hello. Kaya ka po yan.
Hello po.
Ganda na kayo.
Okay na po.
Malamig din sa labas eh.
Okay na yun po yan.
Okay na po.
Thank you.
If I could save time and water, the first thing that I'd like to do, look around enough to know that you're the one I wanna go through time. If I had a box just for wishes.
Mix na! Halo-halo yan. Kasi may version ng halo-halo.
Saan banda halo-halo?
Halo-halo yan. Yan doon, oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Cherish one. We multiply mangrove tree. All of us we shall plant nursery of species. Marine seafood are the best. Please don't kept and burning. We must love and caring. Selfish crab and fish. Come to the unique needs. Tommy, look the special taste. Hey. Lobsters now are the best. Hey. Oysters are delicious. All of them nutritious. We must love and caring all of one living things to support the livelihood and the source of mangrove. Thank you, my friend. You are welcome in mangrove again. See you next year when we come back again. We are waiting for you all the time. Thank you.
Thank you. Hey guys! Inaantay namin ang aming boat. Papunta na kami ng underground river.
May group picture.
Oh, vlogger ka na.
Sa atin yung malayo.
One more po. Tingin po
Oh, one
dito
more
pa.
dito. Kaya na po.
1, 2, 3, smile. Kaway-kaway po. Pretend to be happy.
Yung man drone to.
Okay, gusto mo
Grabe si Ate Melba. Napaka-effort. Doy. Oh, yung man drone niya na. Nagtalon pa yung ganun, ma'am.
You still remember that 45 minutes, okay? So no sleeping is allowed here. I want you to enjoy your tour. But if not, just pretend you're enjoying. Okay. So if ever the device stops working during the cave tour, so you tell him stopping so you can direct you what to do. Because without the device, you will never understand.
They have provided us with a device where we can listen all throughout the underground river tour so we'll understand the history and whatever we can see inside. Fun fact about the Puerto Princesa Underground River in Palawan. It is one of the new 7 wonders of nature, which means that it was selected as one of the 7 most remarkable natural attractions on Earth through a global poll conducted by the New 7 Wonder Foundations in 2011. This recognition highlights its stunning beauty and ecological importance. There are several species of bats residing in the cave, including the large and impressive cave nectar bat. The presence of bats is just one element of the remarkable biodiversity found within the Puerto Princesa Underground River. The cave is also home for various other species, including unique cave-dwelling spiders, crustaceans, and fish. Other features of the cave are a variety of fascinating rock formations and images that have been naturally created over millions of years through erosion and mineral deposits. Let's listen to our tour guide for the rock formations that we see inside.
One first lang. Cabbage.
The big one, peanut.
Peanut.
Oh, peanut. Okay.
Huh?
Peanut.
Snake head.
Ah, ito. Snake head.
Ano yan?
Snake head.
Ito, eggplant. Sabi niya, bright eggplant.
First excellent.
Above your head, banana blossom.
Oh, banana blossom. Yeah. Look back. Banana blossom.
The local name, pusong bato.
Where?
Ah, carrots.
Fresh carrot.
Fresh.
The other one, rotten carrot.
Asan? Joke ni Kuya.
In your left, chicken breast.
Chicken breast.
Try more.
Naglala kami kani Kuya.
That's Eric garlic. Everyone along to the right. Virgin Mary.
Ganda din ah.
This one. Giant sandal.
Angel.
Angel.
Isa, angel.
Pegasus.
Oo nga. Ito, Pegasus. Ganda.
The Holy Family.
Oo nga, ganda. Ganda.
And the front. Palakay. Our family. In the front, sweet corn. Left, mushroom.
There are still other beautiful rock formations, guys, which are not clearly captured in my camera. But I hope that you had a glimpse of the fascinating view of the Puerto Princesa underground river. We are going out the cave now. I hope, guys, that you enjoy the tour. Like and subscribe.